Welcome back to another video, everybody. I'm trying a new intro because all my other ones are super boring. I'm all like, and so I don't want to do that anymore. I want to reel you guys in because that is what I'm good at doing. Today, if you haven't read the description, I'm going to show you the way I make my songs. And if sometimes I stare off, it's because I'm looking at myself, not at you. Because I'm much cuter than you are, let's face it. So, that's a joke. What we're doing is I'm going to show you the process on how I make my songs, and it's going to be very extensive, and usually when I'm doing it, unless I'm singing, I'm super quiet. And so this time I'm going to actually talk through it so you guys don't get bored and leave me, because I need more friends. But let me stop doing this and let's start off the video. Okay, so by the way, the music that you're hearing back here is mine. I made it. Yeah, pretty cool. So here's what we're doing. So to start off, we have to go for a drum beat, because if you have a whole thing without if you have that without that, then it's gonna sound pretty boring without anything, unless you add it in, and then it gives you kind of backbone to start it. So let's just pick a random drum beat. I'm gonna do I don't make my own drum beats because I'm not good at that, but I'm good at all the other things. So I search up drums. Oh, and by the way, what I'm using, it's called BandLab. And so it's easier than any other one. So I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, I searched through that one. I don't want to do that one. That was weird. Okay, we're gonna do these funk drums. So you have your one shot, and then you usually have a whole thing where it's 4 bars, and then it's like this. Okay, not like that. Like this one. So it's kind of funky, and it'll play over and over again, so you can get kind of a feel of what it sounds like. So let's add that one in because I like that. And let's see how it sounds when it's all looped together. Okay, I like the sound of that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use that as our thing, and usually what I like to do as my little mark thing, since I make it, for the drums, I like to do it. I like to let it play through one time, and then right here it'll like stop like that. And so it'll be like, and then it'll start back up, and then that's when the whole music plays, because I like to start mine off sounding really funky. And so now that we have that, we can pretty much loop it for however long. This one's gonna be a relatively short one. We'll put it as a minute, and then this song will probably be out by next week, depending on if I want to write it or not. But this is just an example one. So I'm gonna get all the things that I need to get set up. I'm gonna get that ready, and then I'll be back to you. Bye. Okay, so now here's the next part. So I have my base. It's really nice and neon green, and I can put something on there, and it will show what it is, and it sounds like, I don't know if you want to go down like that. So for my last song, I did something similar to this, which was I just played the bass, and it was like that. But that sounded good. But for this one, we're gonna keep it kind of nicer, but to get more funky, I gotta add these bad boys. So next thing that we do is we're back on here. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna come up with a thing, so it's like, let's hear the thing again. So say. I like that. Okay. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna let it play through. Oops. We're gonna do that again. And that should sound pretty good. Got it. So let's get it all synced up. I'll speed that up. Okay, so we got it all together. And so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back to you with my guitar, and then we'll lay down the actual thing. I'm taking these off because I can't see anything in them. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. So I look back at the clip of it. Oh, this is the guitar we're using, by the way. So I look back at the clip of the bass, and it does sound a little bit off the beat. But I promise you, it's not. It's just my computer's weird. So this time we're gonna get my actual glasses on because I'm a nerd who can't see and I don't have my contacts. So back to this. So we have the whole that. And we can add a little not that. Oh, I'm adding it to the wrong thing. You can like do that. Put a little bit to the side so you can hear it nicer. I usually like to double up a little bit. Okay, so we have that whole thing. And now we're gonna go more in. So I'm thinking, like, since it's kind of funky, we gotta go like a that. So, and this one's probably off tempo too. I don't know what's up with the. Oh, you can hear it better. I don't know what's up with the guitar. So. So that'll be our loop for the guitar. I'm gonna lower it down. I don't know why it's so loud. Maybe because I have my AirPods on under here, so I can't fully hear. But I'm gonna lower that down and see how it sounds. Yeah, that's better. So we can add some little like ad-libs in there, so it's like that maybe. I mean, I would say that's pretty much about all we're gonna get to do. That's kind of how I do my songs. Oh, in a way. At least the songs where I don't rap. I mean, the last one, I guess, kind of. But the point of this video, hold on, let me switch this. The point of this video was not to show you how the song, well, yes it was, to show you how the songs were made. The point of the video was to show you how to make them and that you made this song with me. And so now you made history from what could potentially be a famous song to you're in the writing credits now. So good for you. But that is basically the sum of the whole video. But there's one last thing I want to add, and it's pretty emotional. To all my viewers out there around the world, there was this old episode of SpongeBob that has been looming in my head for like the past, I don't know, 5 years. I used to watch it when I was at my grandma's, and it was on this little CD, and it was some sort of spooky thing with like that one Halloween special where he's supposed to be the Flying Dutchman and he scares everyone. And the one when Dracula's flicking the switch and everything like that. That's not my point. There was this one episode where I know that it was something about a dumpster, and I know that there was this old lady fish that was there, and she was trying to scare everyone. If anybody who's been paying attention to that show for, I don't know how long it's been out, if you know the episode to that show, and you could tell me it down in the comments, I'll be really grateful, because I'm actually wondering what it is. Anyways, that ends the video, and I will see you in the next one whenever I decide to make it. So, bye bye. Have a nice day. Mwah.